Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today we are discussing about what is Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform is known as GCP is a package of services that provide the main types of cloud computing available today, namely infrastructure as a service, platform as a service and software as a service for companies and individuals, enabling a wide range of action like manage project and resources, storing data, running application, processing very large data set, conducting development workflows, etc. This wide and diverse range of solution explains the reasons why GCP is so rapidly increasing in popularity. Now, Google Cloud resources. Google Cloud consists of a set of physical assets as computers and hard disk drives and virtual resources such as virtual machines that are contained in Google data centers around the globe. Each data center location is in a region. Regions are available in Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. Such region is a collection of zones which are isolated from each other within the region. Each zone is identified by a name that combines a letter identifier with name of region. For example, zone is the East Asia region is named Asia East 1A. Now, what is Google Cloud Platform used for? The Google Cloud Console provides a web-based graphical user interface that you can use and manage your Google Cloud project and resources. When you use the Google Cloud Console, you either create a new project or choose an existing project and then use the resources that you create in the context of that project. What is GCP Basics? It is a public cloud computing platform consists of a variety of services like computer storage, networking, applications development, big data and more while on the same cloud infrastructure that Google uses intentionally for its end user products such as Google Search, Photos, Gmail, and YouTube, etc. Now, what is the difference between Google Cloud and Google Cloud Platform? Google Cloud Platform is a part of Google Cloud which includes the Google Cloud Platform public cloud infrastructure as well as Google Workspace, G Suite, enterprises versions of Android and Chrome OS and application programming interfaces for machine learning and enterprises mapping service. Now, why is Google Cloud Platform the best? It is a fast, safe and secure cloud hosting service. It offers many regions and zones to set up the cloud-based server and everything related is managed by Google Cloud. You have many options available to choose from both for hardware and software. Now, what is unique about Google Cloud leading global infrastructure? One of the biggest things setting Google Cloud hosting apart from other players is their global network. It is easily one of the biggest in the world, rivaling the global infrastructure of both Microsoft and Amazon. What are the main components of GCP? Google Cloud Platform components. First point is that compute. The compute service enables compute and hosting the cloud. Second point is storage and database. Third point is networking. Fourth point is big data. Fifth point is developer tools. Sixth point is identity and security. Seventh point is Internet of Things. Eighth point is cloud AI. Is GCP free to use? GCP offer a free tier that provide access to a limited number of GCP services and resources at no cost. The free tier includes services such as Google Compute Engine, engine, Google Cloud Storage, and Google Cloud Function, as well as some other services and tools. Is Google Cloud services easy to learn? If you have some knowledge about cloud computing and you have used AWS before, then learning Google Cloud Platform is not difficult for you, and this course make it even easier. Enterprises